Meticulously maintained townhome in popular Wakefield. Upgrades galore. Kitchen features tile flooring, 42-inch cabinets, corian countertops, travertine backsplash, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, under-cabinet lighting and pantry. Oversized master with tray ceilings, walk-in closet and bay window. Master bath includes double vanity, garden tub and shower. Freshly painted bedrooms and loft area. Home backs to woods for privacy and quiet enjoyment of screen and porch and patio. Access to greenway. HVAC 2016, water heater 2015, roof HOA.